Hello and welcome to the highlights of Match 3 of the Pakistan Junior League. It's Rawalpindi Raiders and Gwadar Sharks appearing for the first time. The toss was won by Rawalpindi Raiders captain and they decided they'll bowl first. Gwadar Sharks overseas player all three from England and also having some good bowling attack. Rawalpindi Raiders getting Hassan Isa Khail, who is Mohammad Nabi's son, Ala Muhammad Ghazanfar, also from Afghanistan, and Kai Smith from England. Let's join our commentators as action begins in Match 3 of the Pakistan Junior League. First ball.
Too much pace.
Gets it top edge, overslip for a boundary. That's the first one. Wild swing at that, saw the width, eyes lit up, earns himself 4, also ends the first over, 6 for no loss. That's a good shot. Just coming down, meeting the ball early. May not get 4. He does. Good effort there though, but boundary goes onto the scoreboard. Hasn't got all of it, but still might go to the boundary, and it does. That's a good shot again. That's a beautiful shot. Back foot punch, standing tall, riding the bounce. Wow.
Oh, bold. Just walked straight across, tried to just work it onto the length side for a single, and they deserved that. Bowled well, they frustrated the batters, and an excellent way to finish off the power play.
And the left arm spinner bringing the ball into the left-hander, Shamil Hussain.
Bowled away. This may get in the gap. It's good timing. Similar to his father, Dale Benkenstein, who used the crease really well when he batted. Watch how quick he gets into position and how well he times this ball. He is thinking, I need a boundary, and why not reverse sweep? It's a clever shot. There is 2 fielders up on the offside, and it's well played, and the 50 up. Goes normal sweep. This is going straight to the fielder, out. Tried to get it a little bit finer. And another wicket. Pressure was building.
Wanted to go for another boundary this time. Again, the length was adjusted. He had to play it. Upish couldn't keep it low. The fielder was placed right for that shot. An excellent shot there, piercing the gap on the offside. Eklund gets his first boundary.
Stumped. Little bit of turn away from the right-hander. It's a different pitch, and there's just a slight bit of assistance for the spinners.
Yeah, just telegraphed his intentions a little too early, and he's done well because he's dug that in. For the first time, you talk about just a bit of assistance off the surface, straightening. That's why it's gone past the outside edge. Good work from the wicket-keeper. He was nowhere near the frame.
That in the gap and cut nicely for 4. And that's a beautiful stroke. Edged and gone. So the plan has worked. The return of Asima, that of Usman, has brought another wicket.
You could see this happening. He's missed a couple by giving himself room early on in the over.
That he does. Good use of the feet. In the gap, 4 runs. And that's brilliant thinking by the left-hander. And then cut away. Offside. Anticipating that the bowler will pull his length back. He stood deep in his crease. And the placement was perfect.
He's gone big. Will he clear the field? Yes, he does. Maximum achieved out of that. No ball, first 6 of the game.
Yeah, 70 meters.
38 for 6 yesterday. This time, 1 bounce to the fence. So this is a good over. Looking good at the moment. A maximum and a boundary. Yeah, he read that. That slow one didn't work. Has gone for a maximum at mid-wicket region, completing 18 overs, 123 for 4.
Look at the master there, look at him. He liked that shot.
Hit it straight. That's the safest zone. You never find fielders there.
Yeah, this one is in the slot. So pace on.
He'll earn himself a boundary there. Just slicing that over backward point, using the pace. He's doing well here. That's well done. Really well done. He's surely saved an extra run there. Oh, is he gone? He's actually caught that. That's some effort by the fielder in the cover.
Absolutely. Again, look, he tried to use his wrists, tried to get it past extra cover, but all he did was pick out extra cover.
Oh, that wasn't necessary. That really wasn't necessary. Just in the heat of the moment, the bowler just tries to aim at the non-strikers. He knows what he's done is wrong.
Yeah, you can't look at mid-off and say, why weren't you backing up? You've just bowled the perfect delivery. You've stopped the new batter coming in from getting off strike. It's come straight back to you. And this comes with experience, of course. Got to wicket the ball before. Look, he takes it. Of course he'll be out, but is it worth it? Is that worth it? And at times as a bowler, the captain will tell you, look, just be happy with that dot delivery.
Yeah, full toss. They probably will come back for the second to get that 150 on board. Yes, they do, and they complete that. So 150 in 20 overs from Gwadar Sharks. They'll be pretty happy after being asked to bat first, having that score on the board. And we surely have a game on our hands.
So at the end of 20, Gwadar Sharks did well to get to the 150 mark, losing 5 wickets in the process. Their captain Shamil got 15 along with Benkenstein, a good opening partnership. Benkenstein was 33 of 25, and then later on Minhas and Masood packed a punch and helped the side get to 150 for 5 in 20 overs. Afnan was the pick of the bowlers, 3 for 20 in his 4 overs, along with Amir and Usman grabbing a wicket each. Let's join the action as Rawalpindi Raiders come out to bat, needing 151 to win this match.
Ismail already on target with his first delivery. Not a lot of width. Hint of a way swing, but Habibullah just caressed it through that cover point region. First 4 of the innings.
Captain Habibullah off strike.
Edged just past the fielder in that slip cordon. Gets it through. Didn't time it all that well. Might just be pulled back. Umpires may just want to check to ensure that it was a clean save. Well, clearly not short of enthusiasm and energy. Missed everything. Good pace on this delivery. Went past the batter and the wicketkeeper. All buys. Short ball. But Isaac was ready for it. Got a lot of bat on this one and gets 4. And he's bowled him. So after the short pitch delivery, Ismail has gone for the fuller one, and to the surprise of Ishaq.
The kind of angle he can create from the fuller length. Why go short? Just look at that. That angle, that swing. Excellent delivery there. And Ishaq trying to go for another boundary. Big. Trying to play that big cover drive, but the ball was coming in. Excellent wicket there.
Just beats the fielder in that deep third. That's a welcome boundary. That's close, that's given. Looked straight. It was a full pitch delivery. And would have gone on. Yep. Edged. That's another one. It's all happening quickly here for the Sharks.
It was going away. Again, no feet movement there. Easy catch for the keeper. Smith has to depart for naught. So Shoaib gets another wicket.
Slapped through the offside. So this is a response from Wahaj. After the review, he gets 4.
114 and 81 balls. What they need now is a strong partnership.
Good shot. Finds the gap. Sweeper can't cut it off. That's exactly what they need to do. Wait for those opportunities. Oh, yes. You don't like that sound if you're a batter. It's gone right through his defenses. He offered a straight bat, yes.
And it's a crucial one as well. That's what we're talking about. Ball just going straight on with the arm. He's given himself a bit of room because he's looking to maneuver the ball into the offside for a single. He gave himself a bit too much room.
He's chopped it onto the stumps. That's the end of another wicket. Rawalpindi Raiders are completely in all sort of problems. 2 wickets in the over. And the set batter, Wahaj, has to walk back.
Now, this is not a good shot. Trying to force the ball away. What he's done well is held the ball back, given it a bit of air. And he's got through the shot before the ball's got there. Bottom edge. Look where his left foot is. Leg stump, ball's way outside the off.
Powered down the ground to long off and taken. Couldn't get it up and over. Not sure if you're picking up this celebration. It is like an Imran Tahir celebration.
He wants to hit it down the ground. And Saad Masood makes no mistake. It's not easy to catch under lights.
The Royals who won it. This is just chipped. And we've got enough of it. He just came off the boundary cushioning, and probably if it had just stayed still, that was another chance. In the air. Should be taken. It's gone a long way up. Oh, again misjudged and bounces away for 4. Now, whether that went into the floodlights, it should have been another wicket. Oh, nicked. Big nick. You could hear it given as well. This one just goes the other way, grips into the surface. It's a good catch.
Excellent delivery, a lot of revolutions on the ball, and excellent take behind the stumps. Good teamwork by Sharks.
This one is hit well. Took the strike. Last ball of the over. Finish it off with a maximum of 6. We're 14 overs down, 82 for 7.
That's gone through everyone. Should be 4. We'll wait to see the signal from the umpire. Buys. He goes and doesn't make contact, so straight away wicket for Benkenstein.
Sir Vivian Richards enjoyed that one. Rather subdued celebration from Benkenstein. Looking to get on with things, Mughal.
Skyer. Up, up, and into the hands.
Pretty sure it would have been swirling up there. Top spinner. In the end, a very well-judged catch. You can see from the reaction, another big smile.
Length outside the off stump. Fielder comes in, completes the catch. Gets the last wicket and produces a win, the first for the Gwadar Sharks in this Pakistan Junior League. It's an emphatic one.
Rawalpindi Raiders were nowhere close in the chase to get 151 to win this match, but it was their first outing. They learn a thing or two from this performance. 23 from Wahaj and 26 from Mughal. The rest of them were in single figures and eventually were bundled out for 116 in 19 overs. Brilliant all-round performance, first with the bat, then with the ball from Gwadar Sharks. 3 wickets for just 12 runs from Shoaib, 2 wickets apiece for Minhas, Qamar and Benkenstein, and a wicket for Ismail. An all-round great performance from the Gwadar Sharks. The match summary tells you where Sharks were asked to bat first. They posted 150 for 5, scored 56 in the last 5 and had a good finish courtesy Minhas's 40 not out with just 24 deliveries faced. The Raiders kept losing wickets at regular intervals and they only got 116 in 19 overs, and a great all-round performance from Arafat Minhas, who won him the player of the match. Gwadar Sharks scored their first 2 points by winning this match by 34 runs. Hope you've enjoyed the highlights of match 3 of the Pakistan Junior League. Until next time, it's goodbye.